For the younger kids that haven't really seen what the solar industry can do for them, what's something that you may have told the 21-year-old Mike O'Donnell with the info that you have now?
Well, so honestly, I was 19, 20 years old when I started selling solar. I kind of wish I had stayed with it. I was in college at the time to get into the IT engineering world. I spent 25 years in the IT sales world, in a B2B sales career, and I did very well, but doing very well as a corporate America sales rep means you make 150 grand to 250 grand when you're at the top of the game. And it took me a while to get to the top of that game, but at the top, that's the limit. You're not going to make a lot more money than that. Maybe it's changed a little because of inflation. So in 2015, got back into solar doing this. What I discovered is there's an opportunity for a young person, for any person, to be in a sales career where they really have an opportunity to make $500,000 a year, $1 million a year. That's not some smoke of mirrors, some multi-level thing where the planet's gonna line up. You just need the recipe and how to do it. And if you follow that recipe, you'll be making $500,000 to $1 million. I may make $1.5 million a year selling solar. So, but you gotta have the recipe. If you don't know how to do it, it's really hard. If you do know how to do it, it's very easy. And so that's what I teach people to do, and that's what I've been doing